Persona grids are a powerful tool used in Agile strategy to understand and empathize with different user types. They help teams visualize and map out the needs, behaviors, and pain points of various personas. This understanding is crucial for creating user centered products and services. In the context of agility and coaching, persona grids facilitate better communication, alignment, and decision making within teams. By focusing on the end users, teams can prioritize features and improvements that deliver the most value. This presentation will delve into the various aspects of persona grids, their importance, and how to effectively create and use them. The concept of persona grids originated from user centered design practices. They were developed to bridge the gap between product development teams and end users. The idea is to create fictional characters that represent different user types based on real data and research. These personas help teams understand the diverse needs and motivations of their users. In Agile strategy, persona grids are used to ensure that the product development process remains focused on delivering value to the end users. By keeping the personas in mind, teams can make informed decisions that align with user needs and business goals. A persona grid typically includes several key components: demographic information, goals, behaviors, pain points, and motivations. Demographic information provides a basic understanding of who the persona is, such as age, gender, occupation, and location. Goals highlight what the persona wants to achieve, while behaviors describe how they interact with the product or service. Pain points identify the challenges and frustrations the persona faces, and motivations explain why they use the product or service. By capturing these elements, persona grids offer a comprehensive view of the user, enabling teams to create more targeted and effective solutions. Creating effective persona grids involves several steps. First, gather data through user research methods such as interviews, surveys, and observations. This data should be analyzed to identify common patterns and themes. Next, create fictional personas that represent these patterns, ensuring they are detailed and realistic. Each persona should have a name, photo, and a backstory to make them relatable. Finally, organize the information into a grid format, highlighting the key components such as demographics, goals, behaviors, pain points, and motivations. Regularly update the persona grids based on new data and feedback to keep them relevant and accurate. In Agile teams, persona grids serve as a reference point throughout the product development process. They help teams stay focused on the end users and make decisions that align with user needs. During sprint planning, teams can use persona grids to prioritize user stories and features that deliver the most value. In daily stand-ups, they can discuss how their work impacts the personas. Persona grids also facilitate better communication and collaboration within the team, as everyone has a shared understanding of the users. By keeping the personas in mind, Agile teams can create more user-centered products and services. Persona grids play a crucial role in the creation of user stories. User stories are short, simple descriptions of a feature from the perspective of the end user. By referencing persona grids, teams can ensure that their user stories are grounded in real user needs and behaviors. For example, a user story might state, "As a busy professional, persona, I want to quickly find and book a meeting room so that I can save time and stay organized." By linking user stories to specific personas, teams can prioritize features that address the most pressing needs and deliver the most value to their users. Using persona grids offers several benefits for Agile teams. First, they provide a clear and consistent understanding of the users, which helps teams make informed decisions. Second, they facilitate better communication and collaboration within the team as everyone has a shared understanding of the users. Third, they help teams prioritize features and improvements that deliver the most value to the users. Fourth, they enable teams to create more user-centered products and services. Finally, persona grids can help teams identify and address potential issues early in the development process, reducing the risk of costly mistakes and rework. While persona grids are a valuable tool, creating them can be challenging. One common challenge is gathering accurate and comprehensive data. This requires time and effort, as well as access to users for interviews, surveys, and observations. Another challenge is ensuring that the personas are realistic and relatable. If the personas are too generic or stereotypical, they may not provide useful insights. Additionally, keeping the persona grids up to date can be difficult, especially in fast paced agile environments. Teams need to regularly review and update the personas based on new data and feedback to ensure they remain relevant and accurate. To overcome the challenges of creating persona grids, teams can adopt several strategies. First, invest time and resources in user research to gather accurate and comprehensive data. Use a variety of research methods to capture different perspectives and insights. Second, involve the entire team in the persona creation process to ensure that the personas are realistic and relatable. Encourage team members to share their observations and insights. Third, establish a regular review process to keep the persona grids up to date. Schedule periodic reviews and updates based on new data and feedback. Finally, use tools and templates to streamline the persona creation process and ensure consistency. Let's explore a case study of a company that successfully used persona grids in their agile strategy. XYZ Corp, a software development company, was struggling to create a user-friendly product. They decided to implement persona grids to better understand their users. The team conducted extensive user research and created detailed personas representing different user types. By referencing these personas throughout the development process, they were able to prioritize features that addressed the most pressing user needs. As a result, they created a product that was well received by users and achieved high customer satisfaction. This case study highlights the value of persona grids in creating user-centered products. In the context of coaching, persona grids can be a valuable tool for understanding and addressing the needs of coachees. Coaches can create personas representing different types of coachees based on their experiences and observations. These personas can help coaches tailor their approach to meet the unique needs and motivations of each coachee. For example, a persona might represent a new manager who is struggling with leadership skills. By understanding the specific challenges and goals of this persona, the coach can provide more targeted and effective guidance. Persona grids can also facilitate better communication and rapport between the coach and coachee, leading to more successful coaching outcomes. As technology and user expectations continue to evolve, persona grids are likely to become even more important in agile strategy. One future trend is the use of advanced analytics and AI to create more accurate and detailed personas. By analyzing large data sets, teams can identify patterns and insights that may not be apparent through traditional research methods. Another trend is the integration of persona grids with other agile tools and practices, such as user story mapping and journey mapping. This can provide a more holistic view of the user experience and help teams create more seamless and integrated solutions. Finally, as remote work becomes more common, virtual collaboration tools will play a key role in creating and using persona grids. In conclusion, persona grids are a powerful tool for understanding and empathizing with users in agile strategy. They help teams visualize and map out the needs, behaviors, and pain points of different personas, enabling them to create more user-centered products and services. By keeping the personas in mind, teams can make informed decisions that align with user needs and business goals. While creating persona grids can be challenging, the benefits far outweigh the challenges. By investing time and resources in user research and regularly updating the personas, teams can ensure that their products and services deliver the most value to their users. Persona grids are an essential tool for any agile team looking to create successful, user-centered solutions.